In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download American Airlines app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a bright, colorful interface filled with various apps. Look for the icon that resembles a shopping bag with a play button inside. This is where you can find and download apps. Opening the Google Play Store is essential because it connects you to numerous applications, including the American Airlines app. Once you tap on the icon, the store will load, giving you access to millions of apps and games. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type American Airlines. As you type, suggestions may appear below, helping you find the app quickly. This step is crucial because it directs you to the right application, ensuring you do not waste time scrolling through unrelated apps. Once you have typed the full name, hit the search button. You will see a list of results, but you need the one that specifically states American Airlines. This will make it easier to find what you are looking for. Now tap on the app labeled American Airlines by American Airlines Inc. This is a vital step because it ensures you are downloading the official app, which is safe and reliable. As you tap on it, the app page will open, displaying details such as ratings, reviews, and app features. You will notice the app icon, which is a simple and recognizable design. This recognition helps you confirm that you are selecting the correct application. After that, tap on the Install button located on the app page. This action initiates the downloading process. The button is usually green and prominent, making it easy to find. Once you tap Install, the app will begin downloading. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. It is important to remain patient during this step as the app is being prepared for your device. Wait for the app to download and install. On the screen, you will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This visual cue helps you gauge the download speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install itself. This ensures that you have the latest version of the app, which often contains important updates and features. Now tap Open to launch the American Airlines app. This action will take you directly to the app's home screen, where you can start using its features. Upon opening, you might see a welcome screen that briefly introduces the app's capabilities. This is where you can explore the various services offered, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. At this point, you will need to sign in with your A-Advantage registered trademark account, or you can tap Join A-Advantage to create a free account. Signing in grants you access to personalized features such as booking flights and managing trips. Creating an account is a simple process that enhances your overall experience within the app. The app allows you to book flights, check in, get your boarding pass, track bags, and manage your trips all in one place. This comprehensive functionality makes traveling easier and more organized. In summary, downloading the American Airlines app on your Android device is straightforward. By following these steps, you can quickly access all the features it offers. Remember, having this app on your phone can significantly enhance your travel experience. You will have everything you need at your fingertips. Enjoy your travels with the convenience of the American Airlines app.